retarded.
And then I lick my feet.
Yeah?
Because
Are
I
you
lick my
recording?
nipples in my butt. And then I found a heart in my girlfriend.
You found what?
Found a heart in my girlfriend.
You found a heart in your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Where?
In somewhere. But I just found a booger in my mouth.
In your mouth?
And then I ate it.
How's that funny?
And I found a booger in my butt and then I licked it.
How did the booger be there?
Boo! Because I don't know and my state in my butt and my poop.
What?
And because I know in my butt and my butt.
Okay.
Because I found a tooth in my yucky anesthesia and my licking elbow.
What?
My elbows had a tongue and then I feed it to my dog with my answers on the butt and ass.
Apples have tongues. That's funny.
Because I ate it with the straw in my butt. It's all true. It's all true. Okay?
Okay.
Because I went to the store and then I poop in the store and then my ass is stew. And then I put makeup in my bed and room and then I put it in my butt and then I sit down and then I pee on it.
Oh,